Looking for the next big thing in online earning? I've got something you don't want to miss. This is your golden ticket to making a ton of money, and guess what? It's easier than you think. Let's pull back the curtain on this exciting new world of digital earnings. Imagine an online marketplace teeming with potential. A place where everyday people, just like you, are quietly raking in millions. And they're doing it passively. This isn't your run-of-the-mill side hustle. Oh no, this is a game changer, an opportunity to not just earn, but to crush it in a whole new way. We're talking about the power of recurring AI. You're not just setting up a business, you're setting up a lifetime of cash flow. Picture this, making money while you sleep, while you travel, or even while you're just hanging out with friends. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's time to wake up, because this dream is about to become your reality. We've uncovered a unique marketplace where folks are quietly raking in millions, passively. With the incredible recurring AI, you're not just earning, you're setting up for a lifetime of cash flow. Let's delve into the magic of recurring AI. This powerful tool is the key to unlocking a world of passive income. It's like having a tireless personal assistant working for you around the clock. But how does it work? Recurring AI takes advantage of the vast digital marketplace, allowing you to sell a variety of products or services. It could be a Google spreadsheet you've designed, a unique Notion template, or even access to exclusive online groups. These aren't just one-off sales, my friends. No, these are products and services that keep on giving month after month. The beauty of recurring AI lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech guru or a marketing magician. Just set it up, let it go, and watch as your earnings begin to grow. It's a set-and-forget system that keeps money flowing into your account, even while you're off living your life. But the real game changer here is the recurring nature of these earnings. You're not chasing the next sale or the next client. Instead, you're building a steady, reliable stream of income that keeps coming, no matter what. This unique opportunity is perfect for anyone looking to boost their income in innovative ways. No more tedious sales pitches or chasing down leads. This is about real, sustained earning through smart, automated solutions. This is meant only for those who want hands-off weekly recurring payments. Imagine the power of an automated income stream, the thrill of seeing your earnings multiply. This isn't a dream, this is recurring AI. It's the revolution in online earning you've been waiting for. No more chasing leads, no more tedious pitches. Just set up, sit back, and watch your empire grow. Are you ready to revolutionize your income and make money in ways you never imagined? It's time to see what AI can do for you and start building your empire of recurring revenue. Check the link in the description to get started and watch the cash roll in.